May the 21st edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I am meteorologist Matthew East here with you, and some weather changes now taking shape. Shower and storm chances returning to our region, and it looks like another fairly unsettled weekend forecast is on tap for us. I know a lot of folks with some outdoor plans as we go through this weekend, including, of course, all the events taking place out at the Charlotte Motor Speedway. And not a washout this weekend, but I do think there's going to be some showers and storms around at times. We'll get into that here in just a moment. Let's look quickly back at yesterday. This is the storm report compilation from yesterday. All the blue dots representing wind reports, wind damage reports. Cluster that in central Alabama from Tuscaloosa into Jefferson County, and some of that also in eastern Mississippi. And also you had some wind and hail around the Dallas-Fort Worth and Shreveport areas. Now this morning, no active severe weather at the point I'm cutting this video. You have a cluster of some areas of showers and storms there in North Mississippi, and a batch of some moderate to heavy rain moving into Atlanta. And that is lifting northeastward, and that will eventually try to bring central Carolina. There's a chance of at least a few showers and storms later today. Now the air mass is still relatively dry in the Carolinas. You can see that this is the dew point temperatures, and we're still looking at a lot of 50s for dew points. But this is the 65-degree dew point line. This is the 60 line right here. And all that moisture will be advecting north and east here over the next 24 hours. Severe weather threat today, running from North Mississippi and Alabama into parts of Indiana and Illinois. And then a second severe weather risk area back in the high plains and the front range of the Rocky Mountain region. Here's what will happen today. I think we'll continue to see the clouds increasing today, and as the day unfolds, we'll see the opportunity for a few showers and storms to roll in from the west and southwest. So places like Charlotte and Greensboro could wind up with a few showers and storms around the region late today. And then through the night, it looks like we'll kind of wind up with a setup that we'll see some scattered showers at times as the night unfolds. Highs today, upper 70s, lows tonight in the low to mid 60s. Now, let's go to Saturday's forecast. This is the precip being indicated by the GFS between 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. and indicating the chance of some showers around at times. And then as we get into the heating of the day, some renewed thunderstorm activity fires off in the afternoon. This is 2 p.m. to 8 p.m.'s precip. So I'm just going to kind of word the forecast for Saturday as mostly cloudy with some showers and some thunderstorms at times. It will not rain all day. But there will be some intervals of shower and thunderstorm activity around the region. And there's the Day 2 convective outlook, slight risk including Greenville, Spartanburg, Columbia, Charleston, Charlotte, Greensboro, close to Raleigh. And I'll have to watch for some hail and wind production with the thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon. Now, as we go out to Sunday, this is actually still the evening time Sunday. And it looks like, again, Sunday we'll have the chance of at least some scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. Now, direct your attention off the coast. There's this area of low pressure. It'll play a big role in our weather next week. Let's go out to Monday evening. And at that point in time, we'll have just this broad fetch of moisture off the Atlantic Ocean feeding on in. It looks like we'll have a lot of clouds for the first few days of next week and some shower chances at times. Now, how great the shower chances are will depend on where this low pressure tracks. This is the GFS, and this is Tuesday evening at 8 o'clock. It has that broad low east of the Outer Banks. Let's go to the European model at the same period of time. Tuesday evening, it actually has the low onshore there in the North Carolina coast. The Canadian model brings that low to the South Carolina coast 24 hours later on Wednesday evening. So exactly where that low tracks, let's follow the GFS here. This is the GFS on Wednesday evening, and finally Thursday evening, it never brings it to the coast. So exactly where that low pressure tracks and how far inland, if it makes it inland it goes, will play a big role in determining the Piedmont's rain chances next week. So what I've done is for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I mentioned a lot of cloud cover and some showers at times, and for the coast, certainly looks like a wet couple of days off and on to start next work week. I don't think this is going to become a tremendously strong system, but it could definitely become some type of hybrid tropical system, something to keep an eye on over the first few days of next week. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great weekend and enjoy weather the best you can, dodge those showers and storms. And hey, for you Lost fans, don't forget series finale of Lost coming up on Sunday evening. I'm a big Lost nerd, and of course I will be tuned into that for sure. All right, new edition of the video Tuesday morning. I am off Monday morning, but I'll have a new edition of the video posted bright and early Tuesday morning. Have a great weekend, and God bless.